back to my channel Abhi's Beauty Hack. It's Abhi here. In today's video I'm going to review about the vast and most selling products from Mamaearth, which is the Mamaearth Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. So this is the 150 ml packaging of Mamaearth Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash with vitamin C and turmeric. It costs around 400 rupees. They have mentioned the MRP as 399 rupees in Indian money. You can go purchase it directly from the website, or we have online stores, so you can purchase through any of that. Anyways, I'll leave the link in the description so that you can go purchase it. Mamaearth is an Indian brand which produces both skin and hair care products which are totally natural, and all the Mamaearth products are paraben and SLS free. All the products are dermatologically tested, and they are cruelty free certificate, and Mamaearth is plastic positive, which means that they recycle more plastic than they use. So foaming face wash is one of the most selling products from Mamaearth. That to this particular product, many of us know about the product. Anyways, I'll say you a complete detail about the product, who can use it and other things. So behind the bottle they have given, it is a plastic bottle, and behind that they have given the ingredients and directions for use. The product mentions that it deeply cleanses skin with natural ingredients. It promotes clear complexion. So this is the outer packaging of the product. They have given a lid which actually covers it for storage. After use, you can actually store it in this way so that the product actually does not pump out. It is travel friendly, it does not leak. It is creative. They have made a creative packaging type, which is actually nice. And yeah, let's remove. See, they have given soft silicone brushes which wipes away any dead skin cells and oils from your skin. They are so soft, even if you have acne, you can use it. But you should be, everything is in your hands. It may be vigorous if you scrub it vigorously. If you scrub it in a softer motion, it will be soft. If you just run vigorously in your face, that also shows its job. So it depends upon the way you use it. And you see, oh my god, can you see the foam? So in one pump you can get the foam, and you can actually rub it. 2 pumps is enough to cover both your face and neck. You can see the consistency, the color. Since it is a foaming face wash, we cannot say that this is in this color, but the fragrance, it is actually nice. It is tolerable. It is non-allergenic fragrance. So it is very soft. This product lasts about 3 months, because 150 ml, yeah, if you use it twice a day, it lasts for 2 months, and it is a valuable packaging, and it is worth spending money for the product. See, good. See, and after scrubbing away the dead skin cells, you can just wash it away with water. This product removes any dirt, oil from your skin completely, and it helps in removing any dead skin cells and giving you a flawless, brighter complexion. They have given that the product suits all skin types. Of course, it suits all skin types. As I told you before, it depends upon the way how you scrub, how you use the product. One thing you have to keep it in your mind is that you have to wash the silicone brushes each and every time you use it, because once the product actually pumps out, the product stays all over the brush. So in order to for safety measures, you have to wash it, and then you can close it with the lid. So anyways, in order to close or wash this, normal face washes are actually fine, but this is quite innovative, and it is quite productive, I could say. It is a nice product from Mamaearth. So it has vitamin C, which illuminates your skin. It gives a brighter complexion, it gives nourishment to your skin, and it has turmeric, which has antibacterial properties in order to take care of your skin. I have no objection in recommending the product with you, because I'm in absolutely love with the product. Because even because of the price, many of them think that this may be so pricey, but it is actually worth every penny, because it lasts you for months, even though if you use it twice a day. As it was mentioned, they are dermatologically tested, and it contains all natural ingredients, and it suits all skin types. That is also the point to be noted. So all skin types, you can get your hands on this, but you can try the product, and if you like, you can continue it. So I guess I've covered almost everything. If you have any doubts, you can mention down in the comment section. I would feel happy to reply you. And if you like the video, give a thumbs up to my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel later. Only then you will receive the videos, only then you will receive my videos whenever I post it. And don't forget to click the bell icon also. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.